Now we're going to look at using an electric toothbrush. A round toothbrush head such as this one is very good at removing plaque from the teeth because it's nice and small and can reach the tooth surface effectively. When you press the button, the electric toothbrush will spin around. Place the toothbrush on the tooth, close to the gum line, but ensure the brush is hugging the tooth. Switch the brush on, leave it on each tooth surface for about 3 seconds before moving on to the next one. Continue until you have completed all the teeth around. Don't forget to brush the biting surfaces, so allow the brush to be on those surfaces for a few seconds, upper and lower teeth, and ensure you do the inside. Get nice and close to the gum line, ensure the brush is hugging the tooth, leave it there for 3 seconds before moving on. It should take you a total of 2 minutes, and it will be 30 seconds on the outside, 30 seconds on the inside, and exactly the same on the top.